Happy Veganuary, day 12. Alberta announced last week that it is sending up to 40 wildland firefighters with personnel, water bombers, and night vision helicopters to battle the LA wildfires. In the last 16 months, Southern California has endured its hottest summer in history and received just 2% of its normal rainfall to start this year's rainy season. Its driest ever. Add to that this week's historic Santa Ana windstorm, which has broken wind speed records with gusts as high as 160 kilometers or 100 miles per hour. And these climate change conditions have combined to create the worst wildfire disaster in U.S. history. Mike Wazowski, or Billy Crystal, and Woody, or Tom Hanks, are some of the stars who have been affected by or lost their homes to the fires, as well as 12,000 other families' structures. Here's a thank you to Alberta for sending their firefighting crew. Alberta is famous for its beef, so today we're making vegan filet mignon in their honor. Combine the following into a blender and blend until smooth. 170 grams or half a box of soft tofu, 180 milliliters or 3/4 of a cup of cold water, 22 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 22 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 7 milliliters or half a tablespoon of steak sauce, 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire, 1 milliliter or 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 milliliter or 1/4 teaspoon of powdered sage, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, half a cube of vegan beef soup base. Now combine until smooth. Place 22 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of cornmeal and 375 milliliters or 1.5 cups of Vital Wheat gluten flour in a large bowl. Now add the contents of the blender into the dry and mix together. Now knead into a firm ball. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Cover the bowl and let sit for 1 hour. Dust the counter with gluten flour and roll out the dough. Using a biscuit cutter, cut out 6 steaks. In a large pot, mix 750 milliliters or 3 cups of cold water, 1.5 cubes of vegan beef base, 22 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now mix. Place the steaks into the cold broth. Cover and bring the contents to a slow simmer. Cook on low for about 75 minutes, turning occasionally. Combine a tablespoon of olive oil, a diced onion, some red wine. Don't worry about the alcohol, it'll burn off. And a 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of the soup base, and fry it in a pan for 5 minutes or until it's golden brown, just like this. All right, let's try it. This looks so good. I'm so excited. That is so good. I was skeptical, but this is really amazing. Thanks, Alberta, and remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.